This video is brought to you by JJ Merchant. Stay tuned for a tour of the 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan 7-passenger 4-door MPV. This van was previously owned, since new, by a government-funded council on aging in Mississippi. The unit was removed from service as part of the agency's replacement schedule, which is governed by age and use. It was not sold because of any issues. The unit cranks and drives with no problem, and its transmission shifts out. The van has 282,040 miles, and its transport dimensions are 198 inches long by 75 inches wide by 72 inches tall. It is a 4-door 7-passenger and features a cargo hatch, air conditioning, heat, defrost, AM radio, FM radio, CD, cruise control, and power windows, doors and mirrors. It is a 4-wheel drive and its title is clear. The van's GVWR is 6,050 pounds. The engine make is Dodge, the model is 3.6-liter V6, the fuel type is gasoline transmission, and the type is 4-speed automatic with overdrive. White is the exterior color and gray is the interior color. It's a spring suspension and has hydraulic brakes. The tire size is 225/65 R17. The left front tread depth is 9 out of 32 inches, the left rear tread depth is 6 out of 32 inches, the right front tread depth is 9 out of 32 inches, and the right rear tread depth is 5 out of 32 inches. The wheelbase is 121. Its tires have sidewall dry cracking and minor tread wear but hold air, and the brakes are good. The interior has some dry cracking on the armrests. There is some paint chipping on the rear bumper, and a piece of exterior window trim is missing, leaving bare metal exposed with surface rust. The complete service records and clean title are available for this van. This item will be sold at our upcoming online auction June 14th through 16th. The item will go to the highest bidder with no reserve regardless of price. The auction is free to browse and free to register for. You can view or register for the auction by clicking the links in the description of this video. Also, make sure to follow our social medias to receive fast updates on our inventory. If you are from Mississippi and plan to title the unit in our state, we will have to add 5% sales tax to the high bid price and charge a $10 title fee, no exceptions unless you are a dealer. This does not apply to anyone titling a vehicle out of state. All out-of-state buyers will be invoiced the exact bid price and will register title and pay any taxes or fees in his or her state. Stay tuned for a demonstration of the running engine. As always, thanks for showing interest and supporting us.